Have you boiled any vegetables lately? Well, I boiled a pot of green beans. They were frozen straight from my garden. I boiled them this morning. It was about 10 hours ago. There's the leftover water. To test the fertility, I have here some drinking water test strips. So all you do is dunk the strip for a couple of seconds, tap the water off even though the directions say not to, and then wait a few seconds for your result. Notice that top square is the nitrate level, 50 to 100 parts per million. If you mix up Miracle-Gro fertilizer, it typically comes out to like 500 parts per million. It can also be stored in the refrigerator for multiple days. Let's put the strip in.
1,000, 1,000.
Still around 50 to 100 on the nitrate. So